Today we finished 2.2 dividing to get decimal quotients. Can you divide and get a decimal answer?
Yes.
Pencils should be down. I see some pencils up still. Where do decimals live?
Between 0 and 1.
What does this symbol mean?
Less than.
Are decimals just like fractions, yes or no?
Yes.
What's this part of a division problem?
Quotient.
What's the outside called?
Divisor.
What does a divisor split up?
Dividend.
All right, here we go. Big one. You can always add a 0 at the end of a decimal and it does not change the value. So here's 32 and 8/10, yes?
Yes.
If I add a 0 to the end of that 8, like I did right here, it's 32 and 80/100ths, right?
Yes.
Is 32 and 80/100ths the exact same thing as 32 and 8/10?
Yes.
So remember, at the end of a number, at the end of a decimal number, we can add as many zeros as we want. It's not going to change the value. Question, the number 5. Can I make that into a decimal? Where's the decimal point? Where's the decimal point? Right there. Even if it's not there, is it there?
Yes.
Is 5 the same as 5.0? Is 5 the same as 5.00?
Yes.
Okay, so here's my number 7. Is that a decimal number? Yeah, it is. Where's the decimal? It's right there. Is it still the same as 7? Remember, you can always add a decimal at the end of a whole number. The only thing is you just can put zeros after it, right? Okay, here we go. 57 divided by 2. All of this red math here, you guys know how to do. When we did all of this red math, we ended up with a remainder of 1, right? I wanted a decimal quotient. So you're like, well, I can't use a remainder. I can't make it into a mixed number because that's not a decimal. That's a fraction, right? So what we did is we added a decimal point and how many zeros?
3.
Do we also need to put the decimal point up here?
Yes.
So at this point then, we could bring down one of the zeros, and now we had a number that we could divide again, yes?
Yes.
Does 2 go into 10? How many times? What's 5 times 2? What's left over?
0.
Do I need to keep bringing these zeros down if I have nothing left over? So in order to get a decimal quotient, and you have a whole number, we need to add a decimal and 3 zeros. What happens if we're doing a problem like this and we add a decimal point and 3 zeros, and the last one we brought down, we got 40, 36. We still had a remainder, guys. What happens if we still have a remainder and we're out of zeros? Do we keep adding zeros?
No.
We don't keep adding zeros? What do we do then? What did we do here? We rounded to the nearest.
100.
Is that legal? Yeah, unless the directions tell you something else, round it to the nearest 100th. Are we cool with this, people? We feeling good?